Hey everybody, this is Rachel from Blue Jane Creations. I just wanted to jump on really quick. I'm taking a small break per se of my big bulk card making blitz that I'm doing to get ready for the fall craft shows. And I know I just put up a little 10-minute blip on how I kind of set up a little bit of the procedure I follow when I do the mass card making. I have been dying to do a sarcastic series of cards, and by that I mean first time I saw Tim Holtz little sarcastic chats, or whatever the title is that he calls, I'm not sure, I ditched the packaging a long time ago, but my friend and I were at Joann's and we read these sarcastic comments at the store, and people probably thought we were drunk. They were absolutely hilarious. So I have no idea. I'll try to take a look while I'm in the process of making this new card series, if it's still available. But I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to do the sarcastic series. Like, I have the sarcastic cats, I have the one with the dogs, I have his Halloween stamp set with it looks like a Morticia character, Frank, you know, those that these could totally go with. But honest to God, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna take a break from the stuff I'm supposed to be making, and I'm going to add the adult humor line to the craft shows this year. So I would love to take you along with me, and I am going to pair it to the 50s fashion models, because I feel pretty sure a lot of you have seen a lot of those memes that are out there where you see the pretty lady pouring coffee and then there's this wonderfully sarcastic comment in the meme. That is absolutely what I'm going for, but on a card. So this is a stamp I got. I think I've had it for about a year now, and I have not yet had a chance to play around with it. And I need to cut it up. I want to cut it up into sections and use it for the different cards. But I absolutely fell in love with the 50s fashion models, and I really do like it. I mean, even just from the fashion, not even yet adding in to the sarcasm in those memes that I was mentioning, but I've been wanting and wanting and wanting to have a play with this stamp set. And I think I am just going to call it my sarcastic series of cards. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't know how many videos are going to be in the series, but if you enjoy the hilarity, feel free to craft along. Like I said, I'm going to look and see if these sarcastic comments are still available through Tim Holtz. You could probably check online if I don't get it up there fast enough, but I freaking love his humor. If there's nothing else about Tim Holtz, even if you didn't craft, his humor is just the bomb. Oh my God. I would watch him just to watch him, even, like I said, if I wasn't interested in crafting. So I bow down to the guru of sarcastic comments, Mr. Tim Holtz. God bless. These are absolutely a riot. Every time I read through them, I just sit and I laugh because they are so funny. So, okay, that segue aside, so I got that stamp, and I ordered this off of Amazon. I have no idea. I will see. I should be able to retrieve the order information and let you know if the stamp is also available, or if there's anything comparable. I will try to do my due diligence and get that information up there for you. So this is a very large stamp, actually. Let me get you the measurements. This stamp, uncut, is basically about 8 inches by 9. Yeah. It's about 8 inches by 9 whole. So I'm going to cut them down into sections so that way I can do a mix and match on it, and then I'll just keep everything attached to this little sheet. I can just line them all back, because you can see here the images are on the plastic sheet, so you know which stamp goes where. So, okay, so that's an extremely large stamp. Freaking love it. I will find the information and put it up there if I can find it, or if there's something comparable. And then the Tim Holtz, same thing. Find out if these sarcastic comments are still available. They have black and white in the strips like this. And then they also have the wider, chunkier strips that you can see here. And I feel pretty sure some of you are familiar with this. And then I got a large Echo Park box. It was either last fall or earlier this year. I honestly cannot remember. I'll have to look at the dates in my shopping history that I have, because I think this came in after I got that, so I'll have kind of a ballpark. But I also feel pretty sure a lot of you, if you buy a lot of paper crafting stuff, you've come across those Echo Park warehouse boxes that they put out every once in a while. And I got this beautiful kit that came in one of those mystery boxes. And immediately I just put them together in the sleeve that the paper kit comes in. And then now I just got out my my Tim Holtz sarcastic comments, and yeah. So this is the paper collection from one of the Echo Park warehouse sales that they had, those mystery boxes, and or warehouse, I keep calling it mystery, I'm sorry, warehouse box sales. And this is the Carta Bella brand for this paper pack, and it kind of gives you an overview of what's in it. Look at these papers. Like, honestly, it's just beautiful. This is just beautiful, and it's double-sided. It's just, I love it. I love the art that they used for doing the fashion sketches, and then they have these little cut-aparts, and then there's the pattern on the back. And the only sad thing is I need to see if I can find another one, because of course you have to decide which side you need to cut. So I think that I have a ton of plaid, so I think I'll keep that side to use. And just more, like they even have some little bit tiny baby sarcasm comments in here, where, you know, I'd rather be shopping, life is a party, dress like it, on a bad day there's always lipstick. So this is fun as well. I think could pair pretty good. Oh, see, that's gonna be a hard one. I love my stripes too. I don't know. I don't want to hurt myself yet with decisions. I'm not there yet. And then you have this map of Paris. Let's see what's on the other side. Oh yeah, okay, that could be fun. Yeah, I think I need to see if this is available. I hope it's not discontinued, or maybe I can find something similar, because I need a whole lot of this in my life. I absolutely love it. It's, oh, look at those stickers. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put those on cardstock and kind of trim them out if I can. Or maybe I'll just put them on like a square piece of cardstock and call it good. Oh yeah, look at all that. Look at all of that. Man, yeah. This is gonna be so much fun. So that is the card kit that I'm going to be using. So like I said, I'm just jumping on here. I'm going to be doing a side series of, well, I don't know, do I really have a series to begin with? Maybe. I guess card making. I guess I do a lot of card making videos. But I'm going to have a sub-series of card making. That is going to be the sarcastic humor series. And to kick it off, we are going to do fashion and sarcasm, which could be the title in my thumbnail. Don't know. I gotta make sure it's not too wordy. So this is what's coming down the pike. I'm going to blip off here. I'm going to edit this, and then I'm going to dive in get some card bases prepped. On that note, if you are at all interested in my sarcastic card series, leave me a comment. I am going to hit it, and I will see you real soon.